Spain is located in southwestern Europe on the Iberian Peninsula. The capital of Spain is Madrid, which is also the largest city in the country. Spanish is the official language of Spain. Spain has a population of over 47 million people. The currency used in Spain is the euro. Spain is known for its rich history and diverse culture. The country has a Mediterranean climate, with hot summers and mild winters. Spain has a total of 17 autonomous regions, each with its own unique culture and traditions. The famous running of the bulls takes place in Pamplona, Spain during the San Fermin festival. Spain is known for its delicious cuisine, including paella, tapas, and churros. The country is home to some of the most famous artists in history, such as Pablo Picasso and Salvador Dali. Spain is the second most visited country in the world, attracting millions of tourists each year. The Spanish royal family resides in the Royal Palace of Madrid. La Sagrada Familia, an iconic basilica in Barcelona, is still under construction after over 100 years. The Alhambra, a stunning palace and fortress complex in Granada, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Spain has a high-speed train network, known as the Avenue, which connects major cities across the country. Spanish siesta is a traditional afternoon nap that many Spaniards take to escape the heat of the day. Flamenco is a popular dance in Spain, known for its passionate and expressive movements. Valencia is known for its annual Las Fallas festival, where giant sculptures are set on fire. The Camino de Santiago is a famous pilgrimage route in northern Spain that attracts thousands of walkers each year. Spain has the third highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world. The traditional Spanish dress is flamenco, a colorful and ruffled dress worn for special occasions. The Canary Islands, located off the northwest coast of Africa, are part of Spain. Spain is one of the world's top wine producers, known for its Rioja and Cava wine regions. The Prado Museum in Madrid is one of the most important art museums in the world, housing works by Goya, Velázquez, and El Greco. Spain has a strong tradition of bullfighting, with corridas taking place in bullrings across the country. Gaudi's unique architectural style can be seen throughout Barcelona, with buildings like Casa Batlló and Parc Güell. The Balearic Islands, including Mallorca and Ibiza, are popular tourist destinations known for their beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. The Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao is an iconic building designed by architect Frank Gehry. Spain is the largest producer of olive oil in the world. The Iberico pig, whose meat is used to make jamón ibérico, is a prized breed in Spain. The Canary Islands are known for their year-round warm weather, making them a popular holiday destination. The Manchego cheese, made from sheep's milk, is a famous Spanish cheese. The Moorish influence can be seen in the architecture of many cities in southern Spain, such as Seville and Granada. Spain has a strong tradition of bullfighting, with corridas taking place in bullrings across the country. The Spanish national football team has won the FIFA World Cup once and the UEFA European Championship 3 times. The Costa del Sol, located on the southern coast of Spain, is known for its beautiful beaches and sunny weather. Spain is home to one of the oldest universities in Europe, the University of Salamanca, founded in 1218. Spanish people celebrate the new year by eating 12 grapes at midnight, one for each stroke of the clock. The Iberian lynx, one of the rarest cat species in the world, can be found in the wild in Spain. Spain has a rich literary tradition, with famous authors such as Miguel de Cervantes and Federico García Lorca. The running of the bulls is a traditional Spanish festival held during the San Fermín festival in Pamplona. Spain is famous for its Moorish architecture, especially in cities like Granada, Córdoba, and Seville. The Basque Country, located in northern Spain, has its own unique language and culture. The Tomatina Festival in Bunol is a popular event where participants throw tomatoes at each other. Spain has the second highest number of bars per capita in the world, after Cyprus. The Mediterranean diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and fish, is a staple of Spanish cuisine. The Prado Museum in Madrid is home to one of the most important collections of European art in the world. Spain has a high-speed train network called the Avenue, which connects major cities across the country. Spain is home to the world's oldest restaurant, Sobrino de Botta, which has been open since 1725. The Alhambra, a stunning palace and fortress complex in Granada, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Spain has the second highest life expectancy in the world, after Japan. The Canary Islands, located off the northwest coast of Africa, are known for their beautiful beaches and year-round warm weather. The Basque Country, located in northern Spain, has its own unique language and culture. Spanish people are known for their love of fiestas, or festivals, which often involve music, dancing, and traditional costumes. Spain has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from the Romans, Moors, and Visigoths. Spain is famous for its wine regions, including Rioja, Ribera del Duero, and Priorat. The Basque Country, located in northern Spain, has its own unique language and culture. Spanish people are known for their love of siesta, a traditional afternoon nap that often takes place after lunch. Spain has a strong tradition of flamenco music and dance, which originated in the Andalusian region. The Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao is an iconic building designed by architect Frank Gehry. Spain is known for its vibrant festivals and celebrations, such as Carnival in Cádiz and the running of the bulls in Pamplona. Spain has a long history of bullfighting, which dates back to ancient times. The Spanish Steps in Rome were built by the Spanish embassy in the 18th century. The Balearic Islands, including Majorca and Ibiza, are popular tourist destinations known for their beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. Spain is the largest producer of olive oil in the world. The Canary Islands are located off the northwest coast of Africa and are a popular holiday destination for Europeans.